do your daily tasks on Cointiply. Hi, I am Blessing Chimigo. I will be showing you on how to do your daily tasks on Cointiply. So watch this video to the very end. If this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and on your notification bell. To my lovely subscribers, thank you. Let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your account. Log into your account. Sorry. Enter your submedia that you're not a robot. And if you have not registered on this platform, I will leave a link below this video. Click on it to get registered. Cointiply is one of the platforms that gives us free coin. You can see my earnings so far. I've not been that serious with it because I have other things I'm doing. Now you click on that three line, you can see roll the fourth set. You click on the roll the fourth set, it will bring us to this page. It says roll and win. You click on it, you have to solve this. Diamond clock. You can hear the sound. I've won 10 coins. Now the maximum of each of these per day is twice. You are allowed to roll this for a day twice. So you go over to end coin. Here are the tags. Start earning and collecting summer. Download the Cointiply app. When you do that, they are going to as well credit you with some coin. This one is surveying, market research surveying, instant gains and app offers. Then your daily free spin, which I have done mine today. Remaining just 1 more to go. Watch videos. You can watch videos. By so doing, they will give you free coin. Then on this one, pay to click PTC adverts. You click on it. These ones are the bonuses. There is so much to earn in this platform. So much to earn. So you take it one after the other. Anyone that works for you, you go with the coin per day. Okay, let's try this PTC adverts. It's voting. It has bring us to this page. Okay, you see view for 15 seconds and earn 14 coin. You can open that. There is other platform that gives free coin, but Cointiply is one of the best to me here in Nigeria. They have so much to give to Nigerians. Unlike other countries, it's more favorable to them, but this one is also somehow favorable to Nigerians. Unlike other platforms, they don't have much for Nigerians. Like we here that in Nigeria, they don't allow us to take most surveys. I guess it's up to 15 seconds. Let's go back and check. Now you have to answer this question. You clicked on the right answer and you will be credited. The 15 coin has been credited to me. You can see from the screen here. Let's scroll down. You see, it has added. That is how you will do them, run them, run them, run them. Later in the day, you can come back and check if there is any other one. And the amazing thing about this platform is that you can also create your own BTC adverts. If you have a platform or a site that you want to promote, you can do that through this platform. Pay in coin, when the viewers view for some seconds, you credit them. Some is 10 seconds and you'll be credited with 10 coins. Some 7 seconds will be credited with 8 coins. So that is how it is. That is how it is. I don't want this video to be long. So I believe you understand how to do the task now. Just play around any platform that you register, any platform that you're interested and you've registered. Always play around it. Play around it for your better understanding. Thank you for staying by. I really appreciate. Please, if you love what I'm doing, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and please turn on your notification bell so you can be notified each time I post a video. Thanks and see you later.